Alright, what's going on everyone? Derek here today. First off, I want to explain why I'm filming on my phone. Recently, I just bought a brand new setup. I got a new mic and a new camera. So it's a Canon T5i, and I bought the Rode shotgun mic. And I used to have the Rode Video Mic Go. I just decided to upgrade because this one's quality is a little bit better. And my buddy Ryan Harris recently just bought an 80D, and this belonged to him. So he was no longer using this anymore, so I asked him how much he wanted, and he said $400. Told him to take me to the bank, got the $400, gave it to him, and sold my T4i to my buddy Tyler. I'm about to meet up with him today and don't have anything really planned. We're just gonna wing it. So Tyler has my old setup, my old mic, and my Canon T4i, which is awesome. Now he has a GoPro Hero 4 Black, a Phantom 4, and Canon T4i. So he's loaded up on equipment. Like, he has all the stuff you possibly need to make some good stuff. I'm gonna switch to the camera now because I don't know how much more memory I have left. So give me 1 second. Alright, so this should sound a lot different and look better, I'm hoping. I don't know, doing these custom settings inside in my room for some reason has always been weird and difficult to do. But Tyler's actually on his way and we're going to shoot a quick little video today. We don't have any plans set in stone. I think we're just going to wing it because he wants to take out his new setup he just bought from me and, you know, do some shooting. But I'm going to give him a call and let's see where he's at.
Hello?
Yo, what's up?
Not much.
Hey, where you at?
Right outside your house?
You're outside my house right now?
Yeah, you take forever to come out. I've been out here for like 10 minutes.
Alright, well, I'm on my way out now.
Adios, amigos.
Adios, amigos. Supposedly he's been outside my house for 10 minutes. I don't believe him. Don't believe a thing he says. He's crazy as shit. One of my good friends, but he's crazy. And we are off. Alright, let's see what this dude is up to. There he is. What the hell are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
You're what?
I'm vlogging. This is the new style of vlogging, dude.
It's a new style.
Heck yeah.
I guess Tyler's gonna vlog with an iPad. Alright, so we're gonna head to a little spot over by my neighborhood and we're gonna fly his drone today. Footage of, fuck it. We're gonna get some footage.
Derek in the vlogging life came and talked.
We're gonna get some footage with his drone, so.
Pull them pants up!
Bruh, chill! About 4 days ago, we had this horrible storm here in Richmond and
dude, it's like a tornado.
one of the skate spots we've been going to for years has been like completely shut down on us. I don't know why, but they have no trespassing signs everywhere, so we cannot skate. And the ladder's right there that we're going up. All right, so we just got to this spot and we're gonna attempt to climb that building. What do you think?
They're gonna call the cops for sure. Look at them, they're gonna be standing there. That's just totally a bust right now.
All right, you ready to do this?
Let's go get arrested.
Let's go get arrested. That's not the plan, man.
So I know that one's open because people's always in that one over there. We're in a spy mission. We gotta be super quiet and get on top of this roof so we can fly the drone. Hopefully this kid don't get us arrested.
And the plan is try to fly the drone to my house because my parents and my grandparents are all outside. So this is gonna be a perfect place to launch and we're gonna see if we can find them. But first,
there's only one problem. I got a drone in one hand and I gotta climb up this. You think it's possible?
I think we got this. It looks like I'm going up first. This is gonna be a challenge.
Yeah, let's see if you can do this. I can't believe it.
Can't believe it's not butter. Here we go. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of sketchy because I'm scared to drop this camera and we're not even a quarter of the way up. All right, I'll see y'all at the top. All right, I made it up. It's Tyler's turn.
How y'all doing?
Alright, so me and Tyler made it on top of this roof and this is gonna be so sick to launch the drone up into the air. Here, you guys can take a little peek. I don't want to get busted up here, so I'm not gonna film too much near the edges. we're chilling right now. And Tyler's setting up his GoPro. He's gonna do some vlogging. Then we're gonna get this drone in the air and see if we can make it to my house, which definitely be able to make it because that drone has a range up to like 4 miles. We got clear skies today. There should be no reason why this signal should go out. So, and the cool thing about the Phantom 4 is that wherever you take off, so when he sets it up here, it sets a waypoint right back to the spot just in case like it loses signal or the battery's about to die. It knows exactly where to come back and it'll land right back here by itself, which is super cool because you can really never lose it unless you crash it into something, which that would be bad because there's no saving it then. Vlog meet vlog. Kisses. All right, man, so let's get this drone set up. Let's get this thing going. So excited to do this. This is gonna be so sick. I never knew how sweet it looked up here. I haven't been up here in like a couple years. I used to go on that building across the way. That's where the first ladder is. I've never been on this one. So we're about to see how this works, so let's hope for the best. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our pilot Tyler Palmer is gonna make the flight of his lifetime. He's gonna take the virginity of this drone and have it travel a little ways. And like I said earlier, my parents are outside, they're grilling, so this will be such a sick video if we can complete this. Fly it to my house, spy on them, film them, we'll be good to go. Kind of nervous though, because these drones aren't cheap, but I mean, this thing can fly up to 1,500 feet and go 4 miles. We got this, no problem. I'm excited.
Yep, that's good. I just got time to go.
You wanna tell him?
It's time to fly.
Time to fly. We are ready for takeoff. The sun is just behind this cloud. It's gonna be a fun one. All right, really quick, we had to take the drone and hold it up to take off because of the magnetic field. I'm not gonna vlog during this because I wanna make sure this flight goes straight, so I'm gonna help him guide it through my neighborhood and stuff. So enjoy this drone footage and let's see if we can make it. What do you think about that?
That's the farthest I've ever flown this.
It's sick, right?
I've only had it for like a little over like a week and 2 days, and that's the farthest I've flown it.
All right, Tyler, mission success, dude.
I can't believe we did it.
We fucking did it. That was so sick. And that was my first time ever flying, and I was over in my neighborhood. He was letting me control it to the house a little bit, which was sick. But dude, I was not expecting that today. That was so cool. We flew all the way over there to my house. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for today right here. Mission success. Flew it to my house, made it, saw my parents, and that shit was so sick, for real. This makes me want one even more, but I can't go and spend the money on these things. 1,700 isn't practical. All right, so we're gonna make our way down from here. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed that he climbed that ladder with a Phantom 4 in his hand, because that's kind of sketchy, honestly. It's pretty high up here. If you fall, you're definitely fucked. So we're gonna make it down there, and we'll see what the next plans are.
Once you go on it, you're good.
Yeah. So me and Tyler just finished up, got some sick shots, and we're gonna wrap it up here. It's getting dark, so this footage is gonna be horrible looking. But we're gonna go get some food and end this day off right. Some pizza. So if you guys enjoyed this, please hit that like button, comment, share this video, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. But until then, we'll see you guys next time.